section 11.5, example 6. You're probably looking at it and you're like, nope, not going to do it because it's long. It's a lot of writing. Word problems. We hate word problems. I used to hate them, but now they're actually not that bad at all. They're not hard. You just got to look at their information given and look what they're asking, basically. Well, here it says square prism A and square prism B. So we know it's going to be a square prism. And that's, you know, you have the base square, right? And if you kind of put it all together, I'm looking at it sideways. Anyways, is that right? Something like that. A little square prism. They're similar. So when you have two shapes, solids, prisms, whatever, that are similar, we can make ratios. Now, I'll show you in a moment how to do that. Each base edge of prism A is 4 inches. So it's a square, right? So all the side lengths are 4 inches. And then prism B, they're 6 inches. Okay? Volume of the prism B is that, and find the volume of prism A. Okay, so the first thing, we can take a ratio of information that we know, and that is, they've given us base edge for prism A and for prism B. So we're going to use the base edge of A and B. That ratio is going to be our scale factor. Okay? Remember, when you have one image and you multiply by the scale, it might make the image bigger or make it smaller. So we're going to find scale factor by plugging in or substituting in our information. 4 inches over 6 inches. That gives you 2/3. This is our scale factor. We're going to use this in a moment. Where in the world did I get this from? Well, when you take the ratio of the volumes, it's going to equal the scale factor cubed. Remember, volumes, everything's cubed all the time, right? So the volume of prism A is on top, because that's what we want to find. So I'm going to leave that on top. So volume of A, let's just shorten it, over volume of B, which is 135 inches, cubic inches, and that is set equal to the scale factor, which is 2/3 cubed. Okay? Now, in order to solve for volume of A, we need to get it all by itself by multiplying both sides by 135 inches cubed. That way we can get rid of it there, and then we're left with our information there. Now I'm going to use my calculator. I'm going to do 2 divided by 3, and then I'm going to cube it. Oops. There we go. Sorry. Then multiply it to the 135. And I get 40, 40. Very good. So the volume of A, cubic A, or prism A, is 40 cubic inches. All right, here we go.